Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'll be making natto pasta. This natto pasta is lightly flavored with butter and soy sauce. Top it with a raw egg to give it an extra creamy texture. For the full recipe, scan the QR code or click the link in the description. You will need 1 teaspoon of salt, 160 grams of long pasta, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 packs of natto, 2 eggs, chopped scallion. Step 1. Fill a large pot with water. Add the salt and bring to a boil. Add the pasta and cook according to the package directions. Step 2. Using a thumb, transfer the boiled pasta to a large bowl. Add the olive oil, butter, and soy sauce. Toss until the pasta is evenly coated. Step 3. Open the natto pack and mix it with the attached sauce until well combined. Crack the egg and separate the yolk from the white. Place the pasta on a plate and top with the natto, egg yolk, and chopped scallions. I hope you enjoyed this nutritious and tasty natto pasta. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.